Wireless lavalier microphones are a staple for creators who need hands-free audio with consistent clarity, whether filming outdoors, conducting interviews, or streaming. The category has expanded from basic budget kits to feature-rich systems with multi-transmitter configurations, extended battery life, and ecosystem integrations. In this comparison, I evaluate 5 models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, focusing on build quality, reliability, audio fidelity, ease of use, battery life, and ecosystem compatibility. My testing methodology mirrors professional review standards, real-world scenarios, outdoor noise, indoor quiet rooms, live streaming, stress testing for interference and latency, and a close look at specs like SNR, frequency range, and transmission range. Product number 1. Mini Mic Pro. The Mini Mic Pro positions itself as an ultra-portable plug-and-play wireless lavalier system with both USB-C and Lightning adapters. It eschews apps and Bluetooth in favor of a straightforward 2.4 GHz link, delivering a compact receiver and 2 lavalier transmitters with clip-on design. Notable claims include 6 hours of battery life per charge and simultaneous charging of the host device, which is valuable for extended shoots. The kit includes wind protection, a dead cat, and multiple adapters, emphasizing a turnkey experience for creators who want to start filming without infrastructure changes. Performance-wise, the system leverages a high-density windscreen and omnidirectional capsules, which helps in capturing voice with decent presence while muting some ambient noise.
Product number 2. DJI Mic Mini. Experience DJI Mic Mini 2TX plus 1RX plus charging case. Small with mighty. The DJI Mic Mini lavalier microphone transmitter is small and ultra-light, weighing only 10 grams, making it comfortable to wear, discreet, and aesthetically pleasing on camera. Detail-rich sound. Mic Mini wireless microphones delivers high-quality audio. A 400-meter max transmission range ensures stable recording, even in bustling outdoor environments like a busy street. 48 kHz sampling and 120 dB SPL for full, clear sound. 48-hour battery life with charging case. Product number 3. DJI Mic Mini. The DJI Mic Mini is a compact, ecosystem-friendly option with 2 transmitters and a single receiver, designed for dual-speaker setups or 2-person vlogging. It emphasizes a long 10-hour operating time per transmitter receiver and a 400-meter transmission range with noise cancellation and automatic limiting to prevent clipping. The device is built around DJI's ecosystem and OS compatibility, including Osmo Audio integration for seamless pairing with compatible DJI devices. In practice, the Mic Mini shines in mobile shooting with 2 transmitters allowing simultaneous capture of 2 voices or a primary and secondary mic. Product number 4. PQRQP 3-in-1 Professional Wireless. This variant is the 2TX plus 1RX DJI Mic Mini, aimed at 2-person setups with a compact footprint and strong feature set, including robust noise cancellation, automatic limiting, and a 10-hour maximum operating time per transmitter receiver. The smaller transmitter footprint, 10 grams, helps with comfort and discretion on camera, while the kit promotes flexibility for interviews, panel discussions, or multi-voice vlogs. The Duo transmitter configuration supports multi-voice capture without swapping mics, and the 400-meter range keeps you connected across typical shooting distances. The included accessories like windscreens and a compact carrying pouch make field use convenient. Product number 5. PQRQP 3-in-1 Microphone. The GT19 is a more affordable variant in the PQRQP line, with a 328-foot transmission claim, 18-hour total operation in dual mic scenarios, and a wind-protecting setup aimed at outdoor recording. It emphasizes 3-in-1 compatibility across iPhone, Android, iPad, and laptops,
with a focus on versatile, long-duration field use for creators who shoot longer sessions without frequent recharging. In performance terms, GT19 aims to balance range and battery life with practical usability for vloggers and interviewers. The 18-hour figure is a best-case combined runtime in dual mic mode, and the 328 feet range supports larger outdoor environments.